I'd just like to acknowledge Natalie Bradford, who sent this in and can't be here to present today. Yes, I'll do that. The Queensland Youth Cancer Service has been in its current format since 2013. It's part of a national program which has been funded by the Commonwealth Government since 2009. It's coordinated centrally in Queensland by Children's Health Queensland, so a paediatric centre, and it caters for 15 to 25-year-old patients, with the 15 to 18 being at Children's and our adult cancer partner sites at the Royal Brisbane, Princess Alexandra, Gold Coast University Hospital and Townsville in the far north. The first 12 months was about getting the staff in place, and then 2013-14 was about getting the clinical governance arrangements and also partnering with the Queensland Cancer Control Analysis team, and you'll hear from Shoni a little bit later about the COOL program. Very fortunate to have had that investment in cancer data systems in Queensland. On the left side you'll see 6 of about 30 KPI that we use for the Queensland Youth Cancer Service, and that's to measure our success over the time. We went live with COOL data in 2015 January, so we've got 2 full years. On the right side you'll see a retrospective study with the main cancer diagnosis and then the percentage of referrals to the Youth Cancer Service. I'll just draw your attention to the 2 bottom cancers, bone sarcoma and brain tumour, which are have the poorest morbidity and mortality for this age group. And all of these data is entered locally at each of those sites, and then it's coordinated, analysed and reported centrally by Children's Health Queensland with the assistance of the Queensland Cancer Analysis team. We have found out through doing the data analysis and looking at our KPI that 30 to 40% of these young patients are treated in the private sector in Queensland, which is very different from other jurisdictions. We also know that 30% of these young patients go through their treatment trajectory and then out into the community with no GP or linkage to GP. So we've been able to look at that data, and we will do more work to look at the the sarcomas and the brain tumours. And we've currently got a project underway to connect these young people and their primary treating GP to the cancer specialties, with the aim of having earlier linkage with the GPs so that these young people, when they are discharged from the acute centre, have somebody there to support them through their survivorship stage. The additional findings have been, we'll be able to provide an epidemiology report for adolescent and young adults in Queensland, which again is a little bit different, and we've got this capability as other jurisdictions don't, because they don't have the linked data systems. Most other states are still using Excel spreadsheets, which we were doing back in 2014. The epidemiology data, in consultation with David Roeder in South Australia and also with IHW, Australian Institute of Health and Welfare, will be presented and categorised using the SEER program from the US as well. Thank you.